Who is the Chief of Army Staff of Pakistan in 2025? General Syed Asim Munir became the Chief of Army Staff of Pakistan in 2022, succeeding General Qamar Javed Bajwa. The correct answer is C. General Syed Asim Munir. What is the largest desert in the world? While many think the Sahara is the largest, Antarctica is actually the world's biggest desert because it is extremely dry, even though it is covered with ice. The correct answer is D. Antarctica. Amoeba belongs to which kingdom? Amoeba is a simple, single-celled organism classified in the kingdom Protista, which includes similar microorganisms. The correct answer is C. Protista. Paramecium belongs to which kingdom? Paramecium is another single-celled organism, also belonging to the kingdom Protista. The correct answer is B. Protista. Choose the error, shuts the door. Shuts the door is incorrect. It should be shut the door. The verb should be in the base form for an imperative sentence. The correct answer is A. Shuts. Choose the correct spelling. Curtain is the correct spelling for the cloth used to cover windows. The correct answer is C. Curtain. Choose the correct spelling. Annoyed is correct, it means someone is irritated or bothered. The correct answer is A. Annoyed. Choose the correct spelling. Thousands is correct, it means more than 1,000. The correct answer is A. Thousands. Choose the correct spelling. Furniture is correct. It means items like tables, chairs, and beds. The correct answer is A. Furniture. Synonym of delicious. Flavorful means full of taste, which is similar to delicious. The correct answer is B. Flavorful. Solve, +8, -2. When you subtract a negative, it's like adding. So, 8 minus -2 equals 8 plus 2 equals 10. But based on options, double check intended question. The correct answer is A. 4. Which of the following are factors of 12? Both 2 and 6 are factors of 12, since 2 times 6 equals 12. The correct answer is B. 2, 6. The synonym of injury is? Wound is another word for injury. The correct answer is A. Wound. Find the object in the sentence, he is playing football. The object is football, the thing being played. The correct answer is C. Football. Error detection, there are many sheeps grazing in the field. Sheep is already plural. Sheeps is incorrect. The correct answer is A. Sheeps. Error detection, Imran Khan looked herself in the mirror during the bath. Herself should be himself since the subject is Imran Khan, a male. The correct answer is B. Herself. The square root of 0.49 is? The square root of 0.49 is 0.7, because 0.7 times 0.7 equals 0.49. The correct answer is C. 0.7. Choose the correct spelling: hungry, hangry, hangery, none of these. Hungry is correct. It means needing food. The correct answer is A. Hungry. Error detection: the fastest you go, the sooner you reach. It should be faster, not fastest, when comparing two actions. The correct answer is A. Fastest. General Pervez Musharraf was elected as president through referendum on. Pervez Musharraf was elected president of Pakistan through referendum on April 20, 2002. The correct answer is B. April 20, 2002. Tawafi Qudam is performed as the Tawafi Qudam is performed as the first tawaf by pilgrims upon entering Masjid al-Haram for Hajj. The correct answer is A. First tawaf. The largest Muslim country in the world by land mass/area is. Kazakhstan is the largest Muslim country by land area, even though Indonesia has the most Muslims by population. The correct answer is D. Kazakhstan. The synonym of profit is. Benefit means a gain or profit. The correct answer is B. Benefit. Choose the correct spelling: exercise, 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 none of these. Exercise is correct. It means physical activity. The correct answer is C. Exercise. Choose the correct spelling: splendid, 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 none of these. Splendid means very impressive or beautiful. The correct answer is B. Splendid. Which is the capital of Azad Jammu and Kashmir? Muzaffarabad is the capital of Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is D. Muzaffarabad. Choose the correct spelling: telephone, 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 none of these. Telephone is correct. The correct answer is B. Telephone. 15% of 125 is. 15% of 125 equals 0.15 times 125 equals 18.75. The correct answer is C. 18.75. Who is the current President of United States of America, USA? Donald Trump replaced Joe Biden to become President of USA on January 20, 2025. The correct answer is A. Donald Trump. Who is the current Chief Justice of Pakistan, CJP? Justice Qazi Faiz Issa is the current Chief Justice of Pakistan. The correct answer is B. Justice Qazi Faiz Issa.